learn about some interesting features of spreadsheet. In the preceding chapter, you were introduced to another important and useful application of Microsoft Office suite, that is Microsoft Excel. You learned its basic features like entering data, performing calculations, and saving the workbook. In this chapter, you will learn various ways to select and enter data, modify the cell contents, insert and delete the columns or rows, etc. Before we move further, let us recall. A range is a group of contiguous cells which form the shape of a rectangle. When you select a range, the selection becomes dark with a border around it. Let us start with selecting cells. We often have to select a group of cells to perform various operations, such as copying, moving, inserting, or deleting. Selection can be made in any of the following ways. To select, action. A row or column. Click on the row or column heading. Entire worksheet. Press Ctrl+A or click on the Select All button located on the top of the first row heading. Adjacent rows or columns. Select the first row or column, then hold down the Shift key while you select the last row or column. Non-adjacent rows or columns. Click on the row or column, then hold down the Control key while you select the other rows or columns for selection. Range of cells. Click on the cell you wish to start your selection from. Hold the left mouse button and drag the mouse to the diagonally opposite corner cell, or select the first cell, and while keeping the Shift key pressed, click on the last cell in the range. Students know the fact. To select multiple ranges, select the first range of cells, hold down the Control key and select another range of cells. Students, let's know more using the Extend mode. Select the starting cell of the range. Press F8 key. The status bar displays Extend Selection mode. Press the right arrow or down arrow key for the selection of range of cells. You can also click the starting cell and then the diagonally opposite cell, that is the ending cell of the range. The range of cells will be selected. Let us find out how to enter special numbers, date and time. To enter special numbers. Sometimes while entering numbers, you want to retain the leading zero. For example, you want to enter the STD code of Delhi, which is 011. As soon as you press enter, after typing 011 in the cell, you will observe that the leading zero gets dropped. To overcome this problem, you need to type an apostrophe before the number, like this, 011. Students note that the entry apostrophe 011 will be treated as text. This entry will be ignored if used in a function. To enter date and time, select the cell and enter the date and time. You can separate the date elements either with a slash or hyphen, or use formats such as 11th October 2016. Excel recognizes and supports a variety of date formats. To display the enter date in different formats, select the cell containing the date. Click on the Format drop-down button in the Cells group on the Home tab and select the Format Cells option. The Format Cells dialog box will appear. Choose any desired format of date and time by clicking on the Date and Time option respectively in the category list on the Number tab.